A bullfighter?
Yeah, well, an ex-bullfighter now.
Wow.
What was his name?
His name was Eduardo Caruccio.
Pass the salt, please.
Where did you meet him?
Actually, I met him in Switzerland, and he was fighting. Is that the word they use, fighting? Because they don't really fight the bull. They avoid fighting the bull.
Right.
Oh, I just love meeting new people. You know, that's how you really do learn about life.
God bless you.
Thank you.
I wasn't going to say anything, but then I could see that he wasn't going to open his mouth.